Click and learn. Computer Science Class 1. Today, let's begin with our chapter Mouse. First, let's start learning objectives. Identify the parts of a mouse. Learn how to hold and use a mouse. Understand different mouse actions. Explore mouse pointer and its uses. A mouse is a small device that we use with a computer. It helps us point at things on the screen, click on them, and move them around. We can open programs using a mouse. We put the mouse on a mouse pad. Parts of a mouse. The mouse has two buttons and a scroll wheel. Left button. We use this button the most. We click it to select the things on the screen. Right button. This button opens special menus with more options. Scroll wheel. This wheel helps us move up and down on the screen like reading a long story. Holding the mouse. The proper way to hold a mouse to use it easily. Place the hand gently on the mouse. Rest the index finger on the left button. Rest the middle finger on the right button. Let the thumb rest on the side of the mouse. Keep the wrist straight and relaxed. Mouse pointer. The arrow on the screen that moves when we move the mouse is called the mouse pointer. We use it to select the objects on the screen. Mouse actions. We can do different things with the mouse. Point. Move the mouse on the mouse pad to move the arrow on the screen. Single click. Press the left button once to select something. Double click. Press the left button twice quickly to open something. Right click. Press the right button once to see more options. Drag. Hold down the left button and move the mouse to move something on the screen. Scroll. Roll the scroll wheel to move up and down the screen. Now let's get back to the chapter summary. A mouse is a pointing device used to control the computer. A mouse has two buttons and a scroll wheel. The left button is used for selecting things on the screen. The right button opens menus with more options. The scroll wheel helps move up and down on the screen. To hold the mouse, rest the fingers and thumb on it gently. Mouse actions include pointing, clicking, double clicking, right clicking, dragging, and scrolling.